Welcome to Stock Market Learning. We look forward to your participation. In today's video, we cover the registration of Stock Market Learning. You will need a registration code to register your team for the Pupil Teams competition. You can obtain this from your teacher or from the savings bank. Firstly, a brief overview of how the registration process works. The steps will be explained in more detail later on. All participants register independently with their registration code via the Stock Market Learning app, available for Android and Apple or via the web version. One team member carries out the registration. After confirming the email address, this team member receives an invitation link for the other team members. The invitation link can then be sent to all other team members by email or WhatsApp. All team members click on the invitation link and go through the registration process. As soon as the minimum number of team members is fully registered, the competition can begin. Only team members who are fully registered with the correct details are eligible to win. The savings bank activates the eligible teams registration for ranking display. Now a step-by-step explanation of how to register. When you are on the Stock Market Learning website, click on Login and then on Register. The following window will then open. Here you have to enter the general registration code that you will receive from a teacher or the savings bank. In the next step, you have the choice of creating a new team or becoming a team member. To create a team, you define a team member who registers first. This member must then click on Create New Team at this point. The age must then be stated. Make sure you state your age correctly. Incorrect information will lead to disqualification from the competition. Then you have to decide on a team name as a group and enter it. After the team name has been entered, the person who is currently registering as the team leader sets a password. Follow the instruction regarding the criteria. Once this has been done, the correct email address must be entered so that the user account can be activated later. In this step, you must enter your personal details, starting with your first name and surname. Next step is to enter your personal address details. The school must then be selected. Finalize the registration, you must agree to the conditions of participation and the information on data protection. You should have now received an email. Please open it. The mail will look like this. Please click on the confirmation link to activate your account. In a second mail, you will receive the invitation link and the team ID for your other team members. Your team members must enter the team ID in order to be assigned to the correct team. The registration process is almost the same for team members. Firstly, you need to enter the general registration code, which you will receive from your teacher. You must then select Become a team member. After you have clicked on Become a team member, the window with the team ID will open. Now enter the ID your team leader sent you. After this step, the registration process is exactly the same as for the team leader. If you have any questions or suggestions, the Stock Market Learning hotline is available from Monday to Friday. You can also contact us by email or telephone. Further helpful information is available at Planspiel-Börse.de. Stock Market Learning can also be found on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. That's it. We wish you lots of success and fun with the Stock Market Learning.